Spider Hunter here from ehpfitness.com, and I'm bringing a video to you today with regards to how we can achieve more fat loss in 2010, and also create some simplicity over this, because it seems to be quite a complex topic for people, or they're making it more complex than what they need to be. So I've got some visual stuff up for you, and also obviously you can see some wording in it as well. Basically what you want to have a big picture of what you're trying to achieve. I've got a pie graph. It's not obviously to exact scale, however you can get a very good understanding of what it takes to achieve your health and fat loss goals with it. So obviously you can see food is a top priority. Your food is the amount of food that you have and stuff is going to make a massive impact on the results that you yield. Also training is another big part of the pie, so you've got to make sure you did keep that up to date. Then you've got attitude, and then you've got life in there as well. So that's the big picture and a visual sense of how you can look at your fat loss goals. You can obviously add more to that pie. It's just a very simple, easy way to look at and start your fat loss goals for 2010. To give you a little bit more detail of that, food, the number one rule there is, are you eating 4 to 6 times per day? Once you've got that habit under control, or in a way that you can repeat every day, then you can progress things along the scales of what rules to follow after that. Most people learn to, macronutrients, calories, counting points, should I eat this, should I eat that? The first and foremost for me is, are you eating 4 to 6 times per meal? Of course, what you eat has an impact as well. However, once you go to 4 to 6 snacking meals a day, you generally stop the bulging, the massive amount of one meal a day that you might have at lunchtime or dinner. After that is training. Are you training 3-4 times per week? Of course we can step it up into, what you're doing is kettlebells, sandbags, power bags, barbell, whatever. At the end of the day, are you training 3 to 4 times a week? If you are, then you progress it to, well, what am I going to do in that 3 to 4 weeks? And then, of course, in the black and white, you've got attitude and mind training. These are, these are well overlooked with people. A simple one for me, number one rule is, are you seeing and practicing a belief of achieving your goal 3 to 4 times a week? That means sitting there and can you visualize with a sense of belief that you will achieve your goal? The belief may need to come with practice, but that's for me, it's about seeing, visualizing what it is that you're trying to achieve. There's obviously other rules to follow in the mind and attitude bracket, but for now it's starting with that one 3 to 4 times per week. And then life, stuff happens, so do you have a support network to lean on, or whānau to lean on to help you when times times are tough, or you want to eat something that maybe isn't ideal and you've got someone there to help you through that, rather than some friends will actually don't worry about that, come on man, just have one beer, it's all good. You need to make sure you got a support network around you to help with that. So this is part one of a mini-part series. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, everyone thinks that this stuff is simple, and it is simple, but this is a fantastic place to start. If you have any questions, just let me know. Spider Hunter from ehpfitness.com. Mā te wā, taniwha.